Hello. I just thought I would come on and make a very quick video, um, just unboxing or unbagging or whatever it's called. I bought these lace scraps, and I just wanted to show you. They're £1 for each bag, and I just wanted to show you what I got for £3. Now I have had a look, and I think they are absolutely adorable. It's not the very wide lace or what's it called, vintage or anything like that. It's you know, Lucky Dip. But I really love them. They're so what do you call it? Dainty. Very fine. And I just like something you can use for edges, or just something you can put in your journal wherever you want, and it's not going to bulk it out too much. See, something like this, these little flowers. All different colors. I love the purple ones and the pink ones here. See, look at these. And all different materials. I have in this one, there is some, this is a bit thicker cotton, and this is more like metallic. It's got a bit of a shimmer, and this is very much metallic. I mean, it almost holds its shape when you fold it. But again, very useful, and it's you can get small pieces like this, or even smaller, 2 centimeters. It says on the website between 2 to 40 centimeters. And I think it's just the right size for a book page, isn't it? There's more metallic here. Very fine. This one with a little bit of glitter in it. And there was a black one somewhere. Yeah. Elastic. So it's already ruffled. So yeah, all kinds of and I mean £3 for this, it's not too bad, is it? And it's very useful. I like the grey one here. Oops, like this. So yeah, last night I was up a bit late. Oh, you can get little pieces like this. But I still use these. For example, I make these little clusters. And something like this. That you can just stick on everywhere or anywhere in your journal. And I made these 3 longer pieces. Fabric I already had. I really like this one, the blue one. Well, I like them all, in fact. Oh, and I made this one as well with the metallic. Yeah, as I said, the fabric I already had. The fabric is fabric bags, scrap bags from a company called Bazaar. I'll link that in the description below if I remember. I'll try. The white lace here is something I already had as well. And then the pink on top. I think that's nice. So yeah, I know for a fact that they haven't got any lace bags at the moment, but they are also selling ribbons, ribbon scrap bags. So I'll still link, and you can keep an eye on it if you want to check them out and see if they have, or if they'll get more of these bags. So yeah, that was it from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.